School told my son that he could be a bird next year if he wanted to.
When same-sex marriage passed as law overseas, these kinds of programs become widespread and are compulsory.
A bird.
Kids in Year 7 have been told to role play as hummingbirds.
He's already started collecting feathers.
Children were turning into birds.
As a parent, I don't want my child flapping his arms at 80 beats per second.
Cassowaries, ostriches, pigeons, hawks, vultures, warblers, yellow tits. They were also regurgitating food into each other's mouths.
No son of mine is going to be a bird over my dead human body.
I don't even know how to parent my child anymore. Like, does he need a nest?
We cannot let this occur. We cannot let this happen.
You should see what he's done to the car.
You can say, oh, piss off.